Hyundai's Bluelink allows you to quickly and easily schedule a vehicle service appointment from virtually anywhere. To do so, you must first set a preferred service dealer. On the My Hyundai homepage, select Change under Preferred Service Dealer. You can then input your zip code and choose which dealer in your area you wish to use. Once a preferred service dealer is set, you can make an appointment from the My Hyundai homepage. In the Vehicle Health section, select View Details. Then select Schedule Service. From inside your vehicle, you can use the service link to schedule an appointment. Press the Bluelink button on the roof or rear view mirror and say Service Link. A Bluelink operator will offer to make a dealership service appointment. The operator will ask for information needed in order to schedule the appointment appropriately. Your preferred service dealer will be notified of your appointment and may contact you if needed. In addition, an email reminder with the appointment information will be sent to you. You can also use your Bluelink app to schedule an appointment. Select My Dealer on the home screen. Then select Schedule Service. You'll be automatically directed to the dealership's service scheduling page. We encourage you to read the Bluelink User's Manual to learn more about the system and features. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.